In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video on Samsung Galaxy A37. So first I'm gonna use the 4K resolution with 30 frames per second. And in order to check if we can switch lenses, first I'm gonna actually check if we can switch lenses without recording, just in case. And it seems that no, so this is the only lens that we have. Alright, so in this case, of course, we cannot really switch, that's already known. I'm gonna switch to Full HD 60 frames per second. And in this case, even before we start recording, over here also we cannot switch any lens. Okay, so we're gonna switch to 30 frames per second. And in here we have the access to ultra wide angle camera. So now we can see that before we start recording, we can indeed switch the lens. But if we start recording, let's see. Yes, we can still adjust the zoom. We can zoom out to 2.6x, which is the ultra wide angle. And this switches the lens. So the answer is yes, we can switch lenses, but only using full HD resolution with 30 frames per second. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.